In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy wedding registry. We'll start right on Etsy. Open your browser and head to the Etsy homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Being logged in helps Etsy save your progress and apply your preferences. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and look for wedding registry. This takes you to Etsy's registry hub where everything is tailored for couples planning their big day. On the registry page, click Get Started. This launches a short setup flow that gathers the key details for your registry profile so guests know they're in the right place. First, update the date of your wedding. Pick the correct month, day, and year so Etsy can display your timeline properly. If your date is still flexible, choose your best estimate. You can update it later without any trouble. When the date looks right, click Next to continue. Now, type your name exactly as you'd like it to appear to guests. This is how friends and family will find and recognize your registry, so use a clear, familiar version of your name. When you're happy with it, click Next. Next, type your partner's name. Pay attention to spelling, punctuation, and any accents or hyphenations. Small details help guests search accurately and avoid confusion. When both names look correct, click Next. You'll now choose who can view your registry. Select the visibility that fits your comfort level. Public makes your registry discoverable, which is great if guests want to search by name. Link only keeps it more private. Only people with the direct link can see it. Private restricts visibility to you until you're ready to share. Think about how you plan to announce your registry and pick the option that matches your preferences. Then click Next. Select your shipping address. This is important because gifts purchased by your guests will be sent here. Make sure the address is accurate and complete, including apartment or unit numbers. If you're between addresses or using a location that accepts packages during the day, choose the most reliable option. Confirm the details you see and select the correct address. Finally, click Done. Etsy will finalize your setup and take you to your new registry page. That's it. You've created your Etsy wedding registry. From here, you can personalize it at your own pace, and you'll always be able to come back to adjust your date, names, visibility settings, or address as plans evolve. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating a registry that reflects your style and your celebration.